Here we go, folks, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, we're unboxing Samsung's latest Fan Edition. I'll also be showing you some sample shots, and we're doing a camera tour. The phone we're looking at today is the retail version, but if you want a general overview of what the S21 FE is all about, I have my initial hands-on featuring all the cute colors that I did at CES in Vegas. I'll link it up here and down below. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to it. Here we go, folks, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. We have those little icons on the box. Very faint, but that's so cute. It's a skinny box, you guys. On the other side, some Samsung branding. On the box, it tells us that this has a cable, the phone, and no charging brick. Let's open it up. We have, of course, the phone, the mobile SIM in here. And then what else do we have? SIM tool, C to C power cord, quick start guide, nothing else in here, and nothing else in here. Now, if you've seen my hands-on video, you'd know that there are cute colors to this phone. This is the black one. It's pretty matte, and I love the fact that it has one color all throughout, which includes that camera bump. But also, I'm gonna say I wanted the lavender one. If you wanna see how those other colors look, I also have a first hands-on video out, so I'll link it up here and down below. Again, very matte. That's a plastic back. Very thin camera bump. That's a smooth top. We have volume buttons on this side, power button, speakers. You have your USB-C charging. That is SIM 1, SIM 2, and then that's a clear other side. Right, let's power this up, and in the meantime, you know what's coming, a montage. Right, camera tour time, you guys, and that was the fingerprint scanner on the screen. We have photos, so we have wide, 1x, 3x, and up until 30x. Wow, look at how big my camera logo is. So back to wide, and then up here we have settings. We have flash settings, and then you have timer, you have size, motion photo on, and then you have your different filters that you can change around. My filters, basically you pick out a photo and it copies whatever filter is on there to whatever photo. Very useful if you're curating your Instagram photos or something like that. And then you have your face filter. So this is basically the muting mode, different settings. To the right, we have video. You can do wide, 1x, 3x, up until 12x. And this is on Full HD 30. You can do Full HD 60, 1x, up until 10x, so no wide. You can do Ultra HD 30, there is a wide, 3x, and up until 12x as well. Ultra HD 60 this time, and there is no wide, but you can zoom up until 10x. Here we also have different filters, my filters, and for your face in the video mode, and then you have size, you have a steady mode. Under more, you have AR doodle. There is a pro mode, and you can see all the different settings. This is for photos, and then you have a panorama mode, a food mode. You also have a night mode that can do wide up until 3x and zoom up until 10x. You also have a portrait video mode, a pro video mode, and a super slow-mo mode. You have slow-mo, hyperlapse is pretty cool, and also dual recording. So there's that little box there which shows you the selfie camera, and you can change things around. Yeah, now let's move on to the other side. Of course, you guys, I'm gonna give you a few photo samples after this whole segment of the video, but if you want to see a whole camera vlog test, let me know in the comment section below. So portrait mode, you have 1x up until 3x. That's it. You have your different blur effects. So first of all, you can make it blurrier or less blurry, and then all the different effects here. You have skin smoothness here, size, timer, flash, and then more settings. And then you have the single take mode, which we've all tried out in other Samsung phones. There's also a single take mode on selfie. Hey, can you zoom in or out? No, you cannot. And also I'm low bat. There's also a portrait mode. There is a wide, normal, wide on portrait. You have your different blur effects, and then you have your blur strength. See how the camera blurs out? Up here, you have skin smoothness, size, you have timer, and then more settings. And then on photo, choose a color tone for your selfie. So this is natural, this is bright, natural. I'm gonna go for natural. And then you have motion photo, you have size, you have all your different timer settings, and then more settings. Also on Samsung phones, shooting methods. So you can do voice commands, floating shutter button, or show palm. So floating shutter button basically means that there is a button right here. So if you hold it at a different angle, you can always just press to take a selfie. And then we are on to selfie video. Can we zoom in or out? No. You can do full HD 30. And up until Ultra HD 60, which is a great thing to find in selfie video. You have your different size settings, so you can shoot in like a square if you wanted to. And then we are back to more. Now, you know what's next? Some sample shots. That's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!